In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add interactive charts to your Notion pages so you can visualize your data easily. This is perfect for reports, tracking, or just making your workspace more dynamic. Let's get started. Go to Notion.so and sign into your account. Double-check you're signed into the right workspace. Click the page where you want to add a chart. Open the page fully so you can edit and add new blocks. Now choose Templates to browse ready-made chart layouts. Templates make it easy to get started. In the search bar, type Chart. This will show you available chart options that you can embed. You can add different charts depending on your preference. For this video, I will choose Chart Starter Pack. Just click it to open it. Click Add and choose which page you want to place the chart in. The chart will now appear in your Notion page. You can find it in Page section and just scroll to see different chart. Make sure you have a pro plan. And that's how to add interactive charts in Notion. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more Notion tutorials. See you next time!